Choosing the right language for your project can greatly impact its success, as each language comes with its own set of strengths and best use cases. Let's start with Python. Python shines with its readability, versatility, and fast learning curve. Python is the go-to choice for developers seeking efficiency and speed. It excels in web development, data analysis, AI, and automation tasks, making it a versatile tool for various projects. Next up, Swift. Swift boasts a user-friendly learning curve and plays a crucial role in powering Apple products. With modern language features and a streamlined development process, Swift is the top choice for developers focused on creating cutting-edge iOS applications. Now, onto Kotlin. Kotlin combines concise syntax with functional and object-oriented programming capabilities, making it versatile and interoperable with Java. It's the top choice for Android development, enabling developers to write clean, efficient code for Android apps. Next up, Java. Java, supported by a robust community and regular updates, is known for its approachable syntax and reliability in bug fixing. Its versatility makes it suitable for a range of applications, from Android apps to enterprise websites. In conclusion, the choice of programming language is a pivotal decision that can significantly influence the success of your project. At Parallel Staff, we understand the importance of having the right talent for your projects. Our team of expert developers is well-versed in a variety of programming languages and technologies, ready to tackle your project with skill and precision. Contact us today to unlock the power of nearshore software development.